Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram Notes music not showing in your Instagram app on iPhone. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your Instagram app, click on Messenger and click on Notes. And here you can see I have the option of music. When I am clicking on it, so here you can see many of music. I can select and send it anyone. So if you're not showing this option, then I'll tell you how to fix it. So first of all, go back, open your settings and make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is connected with your phone. And after this, click on General and click on Software Update and make sure that your iPhone or iPad is updated to latest iOS version. So after this, go back and click on iPhone storage. Click here, scroll down and click on Instagram. So you need to click here and click on offload app. So click here and click offload and reinstall again from App Store. And after doing this, go back and open your App Store and search here Instagram. Click on Instagram and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. So if not updated, then you need to update it and go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So if not fixed, then open your Instagram app, click on your main profile, click on three lines, click on settings, scroll down, click on help and click on report a problem. Report a problem, click on include and continue and write here your problem. So your problem is I am not showing the notes music in my messenger. So fix this problem as soon as possible. Write here and upload your screenshot of your problem in which you can't show the option of notes music. So upload here and send it. So after sending your problem, within a day your problem will be fixed and you will be able to use Instagram notes music. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.